Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about how to use future tense with going to and how to improve speaking skill with a short story or English in situation. Well, the pattern of future tense here is subject plus am, is, or are, then followed by going to plus verb 1 for positive sentence or statement. Well, we use am for I, then is for he, she, and it, and then we use are for you, we, and they. Then, to make it questions, we put the to be am, is, or are, then followed by subject plus going to plus verb 1. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Then you should try to memorize it and try to retell it. Now, please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. After this story, I will ask you some question about it. Well, Jackie was kidnapped yesterday. Now she is in an old factory building. Well, she cannot sleep. Frank is sleeping in a chair near her. She is thinking. What are they going to do to me? Are they going to kill me? Am I going to see Mike, my father, and my friends again? What am I going to do? Well, now please listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, to improve your speaking skill. Jackie was kidnapped yesterday. She is in an old factory building now. She cannot sleep. Frank Mitchum is sleeping in a chair near her. She is thinking. What are they going to do to me? Are they going to kill me? Am I going to see Mike, my father, and friends again? What am I going to do? Well, now please answer my questions now. Question number 1. When was Jackie kidnapped? Where is she now? Can she sleep? Is Frank sleeping in a chair near her? What is she thinking? Well, do you think she is going to see Mike, her father, and her friends again? Do you think the kidnappers are going to kill her? Well, now, what about you? I'm going to ask you some questions about your future activity. What are you going to do today? Are you going to go to a movie? Are you going to go to school? Are you going to go to work? What time are you going to go to bed tonight? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.